Hey guys, this is how to tutorials, and today I'm going to show you how you can make axis in LaTeX. It's a short video and let's get started. So firstly, just make a new document in LaTeX using document class and all that, and use two external packages. First one is plots and second is text. And after that, just begin the document, and inside the document just start the text picture environment. Then just you have to write two commands. Using the command draw, you can make the axis. First is x-axis and then the y-axis. So using the command draw, insert the initial point from where the x-axis should be starting. So I'm going to have put -5, 0, means x-axis will start from -5, 0 and terminates at 5, 0. And second axis will be from 0, -5 to 0, 5. This will be the y-axis. And one more thing, you have to define the type of arrow. So just after the draw command, just put the type of arrow inside the square bracket and it will just draw. So here you can see it actually made a perfect axis. And now you can tweak some changes in the axis like thickness, color, and some node and some labeling like x-axis, origin, and things like that. So for the increasing the thickness of this axis, you have to just inside the square bracket use the word ultra thick or very thin, and you can define the color as well. So I'm going here for red. So after the comma, you can write any color. Now if you want all these graphics of the same color and the same thickness, so put this command at the beginning of the text environment. So it will just by default make all these graphics of the same color, that is red, and of the same thickness. So that's it guys. I hope you got this method of making axis, and I have already done a video on the axis. That is pretty much easiest method to make the axis, but I got another method as well, so I just thought I should make a video on this. So if you can check that video out, I just linked down in the description, so you can check that out. And if you need any help in LaTeX, so feel free to subscribe this channel, and I post daily a video on LaTeX. Currently I'm learning LaTeX, so feel free to subscribe, and thank you for watching. See you in the next one.